Hi, my name's Peter. Welcome to IQMAN Welding School. Today I'd like to talk about the three welding processes and the one that may best suit your needs. They are stick, MIG and TIG. Let's talk about stick. This is a stick welding handpiece, or manual metal arc welding is the technical term. It's used with an electrode as such, and it's perfectly portable. As you can see, it's nice and light. We take this machine out to the field and we weld carbon steel. Can weld stainless steel, but mainly with carbon steel. Repair work on gates, fences, farm machinery, any type of machinery, over about 2 millimeters thick. Anything under 2 millimeters thick, you may start to have trouble with blowing holes, and this is where we utilize the MIG welding process, which I'll talk about later. This is the MIG welding handpiece. MIG is a very versatile process. We can weld stainless steel, aluminium, and carbon steel with this process. There's a few changes you need to make within the machine, but you can do it. The real beauty with this machine is that you can weld really thin material down to about 0.5 of a millimeter, which is a car panel basically, up to limitless. The disadvantage with this machine is that there's a lot of equipment. You know, you can see that the machine is bigger, heavier. I'm not even going to try and lift it. There's a gas cylinder, there's gauges, you have to set flow rates. So there's more to do, but it is much easier to learn how to use. And with this machine, you bring the job to it rather than the machine to the job as you do with stick. This is the TIG welding handpiece. TIG welding is a highly specialized process, and it takes a lot longer to master, a lot longer to learn, a lot more practice. It's used mainly in industry in power generation for boiler tubes. It's used in oil and gas pipelines for the root run and the hot pass in pipelines. It's used in the nuclear industry for the same thing, also aircraft industry. We can weld carbon steel, we can weld aluminium and stainless steel with this process. The way this works is there's a tungsten in there that generates the heat, and then you dip your wire and move along, and that's how you obtain your weld. You might notice the machine, it's the same one that I used for stick welding. You just toggle here between stick and TIG, set your amps. We also have gas to protect the molten pool and a flow meter. So there's a little bit more involved, but it can be done. It can be made portable and you can use it at home, but with a lot of practice. That was a very brief overview of the three welding processes: stick, MIG and TIG. Out of the three, stick is the most portable but probably the least versatile. MIG is the least portable but the most versatile. And TIG is highly specialized and takes a lot to learn and master. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Peter from IQMAN Welding School.